Governor na thakiba numit tarit ki manungda Khutlai Singh Pikhatlaktrabadi taragadi Eikhoina oina chatlaga Makhoidagi Loukhatkani haina Chief Secretary Prasan Kumar Singh na phongdokri. Ngasi Imphal East District ke DC Complex ta Relief Camp Singh da lanjan naraktuna leiriba Mahiroi Singh da cycle amadi Fisakol Singh yen thokpagi thauram da Paumi Singh sideline da hangba wahangi paukhum piraduna Chief Secretary na makha taraduna Governor na Khutlai Pikhatlaknaba piriba numit tarit ni asida Pikhatlage hairagani matam yamna fangi Ain kaina pairiba Khutlai Singh karigumba Pikhatlake hairagadi nongmada loina Pikhatlakpa yai Aduga karigumba thariba numit taret ni asida Pikhatlaktraba taragadi Khutlai Singh paiduna leiriba makhoigi manakta chetuna Khutlai Singh Loukhatkani haina phongdokhi. Aina yadaba Khutlai Singh miyamgi marakta laikhiba haiba si achauba khudong thiningai amani loinana Khutlai Singh lengakta thingalakadabani Manipur da santi hanjilakpage achauba khongthang ama oigani haiki. National Highway Singh chathok chasin yahanba amadi nakal animakta thajaba amadi wakhal tahanba haibasi irang asi loisina bahotnabada yamna maru oi lamda masidagi mapan lamda National Highway Singh da ayet apan leitana chathok chasin yanabaki thabaksu leptana paikhatli National Highway Singh da matik chaba security thamnabasu kanna hotnari adumakpu ahenba security force Singh thambadi mathau tari National Highway Singh da ayet apan leitana chathok chasin yana bahotnabada miyamnasu sogatpiu haiki.
And of course, we can't leave outside in public and private hands. That is a very dangerous situation. So first, we need to get the weapons back to the court, and thereafter, take steps to open up highways as soon as possible. Work going on that. To open the National Highway 02 also. Deployment has been completed almost. A little bit of extra deployment is required. That also will be done very soon. And then the movement is still happening. It's not that movement is not happening. The sooner we do it, the more peacefully we do it. It's a requirement. And weapons from everybody. I mean, looted weapons or any other weapon which is there. Who is a threat to society. 7 days are good enough. I mean, if you have a weapon, one day also you can return it. We have given you 7 days.